Welcome back to 10 Targets Detecting. I'm Camille and I'm going to start swinging. I've got myself a bit of an incline. There's a hill. I'm going to work from the top of the hill down, come back up, down, come back up, down. Better for my shoulder, better for my arm. Doesn't get tired. See you on the first. Let me just show you what's different. It's a Vanquish 540. I'm taking some low numbers. I'm going from about 9. You might be able to see. Got the sensitivity right up to max. We've got no chatter, so we may as well keep it up right there. And I'm just going to swing this baby because the Nox is gone to have a little check out with MindLab, just because I think one of the functions wasn't working as it should. Anyway, this is still good. See you soon. First target. This tone sounds nice, double jumpy, both ways. This is sort of what I was digging last time I was here, but it was also trashy. So, because I've only got one hand filming, like I was super quick and super efficient when I got two hands, like boom, 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 in and out. So, didn't matter that there was some trash as well, because I was so quick it didn't matter. I was like, the ball's out, but that's okay, because what's this? It is. What's this? What is this? Could be upside down. That's what it is. I don't know what it is. Something cool. I like these cool different things. Double jumpy. Something. Oh, I really can't see that. But I promise I'll wash it. And I promise I'll show you at the end. Alright, I did not turn you on because I was just getting a bit of trash. And then I got a 1921 way. And metal, rubbish, or ring? This is the question. Oh, it's just so hard with my big fingers. Pull that out. Nope. Guys, it could be a ring. Oh, I just can't. Oh, my fingers. So stuck in it. Just a second. No, I don't know. The suspense until the end. Is it a ring or just an off cut? Hasn't got much weight to it. But anyway, that was a 1920 only one way. So thought it was going to be trash. And it's this. So I literally can't see because I dug that round metal thing, which actually I popped out the inside. It looks like a ring. Just a cheapie. And now, Where were you? I like this sort of high pitch. Hang on, I think there's a couple of targets. I do like that high pitch. I wonder if there's something just on the surface just giving me that grunt. Let's have a listen. Is there a pinpointer? Negative. So let's do this together. There's a couple of bars, like 3 bars, so we'll just do it. And you know what? This could just be a video of a variety of finds. I'll show you the trash. Maybe you can learn from that. I don't know, learn something, enjoy it, see the reality of detecting that we all find trash no matter what. Yeah. I think we'll use the back dig. Okay. Can't see anything with my naked eye. Oh, yes I can. What? It's a 2 cents. 2 cents. Was not expecting too many brown buggers, but they're bloody everywhere, aren't they? All right, let's go. Next one. All right. Where's that high pitch? this there, high pitch. We'll play a game. It is called Goldie or Bottle Cap. Just there. I can see. It's a Goldie. Let's dig it out. It's $1. That's the first Goldie. Awesome. Oh, I might just keep it running because guess what? It's stop-start with this. I put my phone away, boom, I need to take one step and another diggable target. This is like 20 something. I can't see. Hang on. Promise I got the light on. But it's sort of a light drizzle, and the Vanquish control pod is not waterproof, so I have it covered, unlike the Equinox. Let's just dig right there. Let's see what it is together. It's how long? So, detector, you know, right near the surface. What's that called? Ground. So I'm losing an inch or so of depth. It's soft, so it's really soft dirt, so I am using my pinpointer a little bit to dig with. Cannot see. I'm hoping for like a chunk of jewellery, something. I have to check my pinpointer on, I can't see. Still on the wall. Hoping for something cool, but thinking it's going to be, oh my god, I still can't see. It's probably just trash. Trash always takes forever. I think it's all tangled into the roots. My hand's getting cold. Uh-oh, it is not trash. It's a round coin, but look what it is. It's a little brown bugger. 1 cent. What are you doing in this modern place, 1 cent? Apologies for the wind. We have a 21-22. I hope you can hear 21-22. And I forgot, I was just going to keep rolling because I literally just am walking one step. And it's another single target. So let's have a look. And I've not turned it off. Let's see if I can be quick and efficient. Oh, there you go. I can see you. Another Goldie, $1. Let's put it in the pouch. Can I reach a step and reach around? There we go. Safe, always safe, because you don't want to drop your targets, do you? Once you've found them, punch. Step. Pinpointer off. Let's go. Let's just keep going. Oh, now I can't hold my shovel. I have to throw that out of the way. All right. Don't like it. Do you know why? It's showing deep, but it's going to be double bounce. Let's find something good. No. That high tone. That's what I like. It's like giving me a tease. That's what I like. Whoa. Where are ya? It's taking me longer then. Of course that's very useful. If I had the... Alright, diggable. A 6-inch coil. Oh, Sonny. If you change your angle, see? That tone is one way only. But nice high numbers. And then not. Sounds like it might be some sort of screw. Let's dig it to like that. Let's dig it just to see what it is. Because I think sometimes when you're on such a high sensitivity, it's going when I move my shovel. When you're on such a high sensitivity, sometimes I just can't explain it. It doesn't give you. It's sort of a little bit jumpy. Okay, let's go a little bit further away. Oh. Oh. We'll keep running because this is real. This is real. This is what happens. One-way target, a bit sketchy. Takes you off on the side a bit. You're thinking a rusty sort of item. Or you're thinking like a brown bugger. Sometimes that's still can't see anything. Sorry, I may have moved the camera. Don't know if you can see. Hope for the best sometimes. Oh, this soil's amazing and soft. Put the plug back in super easy. Pack it back in, and honestly, you cannot tell I've been here. Sometimes the optics looks not so great, right? Did I just move you out? Oh my God, I'm sorry, it's taking forever. When I've got two hands, it is so easy. Is that something? Is that something? Oh, my eyes. I just cannot see. Let's go back on. Oh my God, we're up to 4 minutes on this video. It's right there, okay? I can't see it. It's probably trash. Let's remember what it was. It was a sort of high 20s, one way only, a little bit of a grunt. So, what are you going to be? What are you... Look what it is. It's a brown bugger. One way, bit of a grunt, and we've got a 2 cent piece. Still worth digging. It could have been, you know, it could have been a silver ring. Let's keep going. Oh my God, this video was 4 minutes. Another step, another diggable target. Jumping right up to 25. Now the Vanquish pinpoint is actually not here where the Knox is. The pinpoint is actually that square. Square? I don't know, square. Could be a rectangle. A little bit ahead. So, that is what I'm using to pinpoint. Oh, I'll probably get it off now. Probably be right off because pinpointing. And then I use that. On this hill, I use gravity working my way down, but I also use it for my, oh, as you can see, really good plug. Haha. Alright. Bloody wind. Do you guys just can't see? You just think, I should be able to see it by now. Pull it out, and it is a rock. Not a rock. It is, cannot see what it is. Sorry. Thanks for like tuning in and still watching when I'm so nutso. Oh my God, do you know why I can't see it? Because it's out, it's here. It's 1 cent. Looking through the camera, I was looking down here. But it already popped out. 1 cent. Okay, move on. Want to see what a 21, 22 sounded nice tones. I thought it was going to be something really cool when I saw that, but I think it's just a fucking frequency feel. That was a 21, 22. Okay. Taking. Sounds good, doesn't it? Really double jumpy. Sounds good, but that's what happens with a, you know, ring pull or whatever on the close to the surface as well. Small pinpoint, just there. Pinpointer, so nice and soft. Oh. And that double jumpy is a when it's there in the grass, I just think it's going to be a ring pull tied up into the roots, but it's not. 10 cents. Don't know if I'm find many 10 cents because I don't always dig those sort of lower numbers. But, you know, I'm waffling. Just move on. Another goldie. Just here. Take it. Thank you. I've hit a patch. I have hit a patch. Just been getting a few goldies. Always good. Spare change. What do you think this is? Deep, right? Funny tones. Two ways. Nicer tone, but the grunt, right? Oh, let's just dig it and have a look. It was super deep though, wasn't it? The reason I don't have my 70 is because the ground is so soft. And this digger is my favourite for height. And when I haven't got my glove on, it's got these rubber bits. It's nicer to hold, not as cold as some of the other tiger diggers I also use. I think this is going to be trash. What do you think? I hope I'm wrong. Said it was really deep. I think it's just going to be something. I don't know. Just guessing. But I can't let it go. I found, oh gosh, it's a bloody another 2 cents. What's going on? This sounds good. I pitched both ways, and I've had a goldie run. Goldie. And this will be a bottle cap now. Got a goldie. Oh gosh, it's pretty boring, isn't it, when you don't go looking for pre-decimals? No, I'm only joking. It's not that boring. It's different. Oh, I need 2 hands. Tiny. It's small. There's a rock. Turn you on again. Cannot see gold. Oh, looks like a threepence. What are you? You are a foreign coin. Cool, man. What is it? A 1. Cannot see. Asian characters. I don't know. Never seen it. Hong Kong. 1 something, but it's cool, and I display my foreign coins. Excellent. Something that's not a goldie and not trash. Take it any day. Alright, I've done brown bugger after brown bugger. But they didn't sound like this nice high jumping. They were the same sort of shallow. Sounds good. I also have been getting a few 10-cent pieces. I see it. Double jumpy. Oh, look through the camera. Let me look outside the camera. Yes, it's a ring. It is a ring. Even though there's no one here, I said it very loud. It's just a second. Oh, it's a thin little ring. That's okay. I always love finding rings. They go in the display. I can't see right now, but I promise I will let you know if it's a 9252. It probably is because it rang up lovely and high. Cool, man. Finally. Okay, I did not turn you on because, you know, how many, I got a double jumpy 17 this was, and, you know, how many sort of ring what I've been getting. $2, $1, $2, $1, 50 cents, 10 cents. And then, double jumpy 17, that I may as well grab this 50 cents. It's only shallow. And it's this interesting item. Anyone? It's from a necklace maybe? Look, there's a little thing there. I don't know. It is unusual. Anyway, that was a double jumpy 17. Well, it's cold and windy, but I got an 1819 on the Vanquish 540, and I'm only going to turn you on when I buy something good, because I'm turning you on forever, and it's 1 and 2 cent pieces, and it's modern currency, but this is something different. I don't know what it is. I've had a, oh gosh, hang on, where is it? There it is. What is that? It's is it deliberately cut, or is that the shape of it? Maybe it's, don't know. I thought it might be a star sign thing, but it's an interesting shape, or it's been cut. But that is a 1819 on the Vanquish. So this was a 22.24, I think. 22.24. Oh yeah, it's one of those weights. 25 grams. There you go. That was a 22.24. Well, you think it's a penny, don't you? Well, I did, but it's not. I don't know what it is. If I was in an area, well, you know, this area dates about 1967, 68, just after pre-decimals. What is this? I would have thought this was like, you know, those tram pennies, they flatten them out. I can see absolutely nothing on this. Absolutely nothing. But I've dug heaps of 1 and 2 cent pieces. I've dug heaps of 1 and $2 coins. I've dug maybe 1 or 2 50 cents, not many. And I've dug heaps of 20s and 10s and all that sort of stuff. I've just been digging. Well, this sounds alright. Where was it? Hi. Similar to, yeah, both ways. Yeah, nice, double jumpy and high. So, similar to some of the 1s and 2s I've been finding. Where was it there? There anyway. So, what a day. I haven't shown you all my digs. I have dug and dug. I have dug 1s and 2s. Oh, I think I told you. I think I've mentioned it already. Anyway, it don't feel so cold, which is nice. Which is very nice, and I've had an enjoyable day, even though it's not the best weather, and I'm sorry it's so I am sorry about the wind. Nothing I can do about that. I cannot see anything. I cannot see. Suggested here. Oh my gosh. Talking about the cold. And yep. She's icy. Okay. I still cannot see. Sometimes it's just a brown bugger. It's not a brown bugger. What's that? What? It's a bent old thing, but it looks like one of the fruit badgers. Where am I again? Where am I? Well, blowing me down with a feather. She's a bit bent up. And I might have even done that. Jesus. Being so rough. I thought it was a large target. Oh no. Well, I hate destroying these things. They're beautiful. Look at that. I might even end it on that. I've been digging and digging. What a nice one to end on. Let me turn it around and say goodbye properly. Well, the sun finally came out and I had a really enjoyable dig. I will show you all my finds, but thank you for watching. Alright, catch you next time.